hello, say morning.
Morning.
Tyler, say morning. Ty, say morning.
Morning.
Watch ya. The family's in town today. It's town day. We're in Place Messina. Of course, I can never get used to this view. It just gets me every time. Ready? Come, let's go. Hold the stroller. Come on. Look where you're going.
Look where you're going. Brenna, you can't.
Baby girl is here, sleeping away. Tell her, leave her.
Mario. Give me the boat.
Move your hand.
Why don't you just come up to the front here? Go on. Stay more up here. Stay more to the front. Kiki! Damari, don't with me. Come on. Leave him, leave him, leave him. Come, catch it. Look, look, look.
Just stay down, stay down. I just hang it
Go on it, Richard. Go and stand on it. Here, Richard, this one. This one. Go on. Come here. Kiki! Oh, be quiet. Why you have to be behaving like that? Seriously? Damaria, don't do that. Let them play. Kiki! Come, you have to go on it, Baba. Go on it. There. Guys, play up more here so that I can keep an eye. Here. Stay up here. They do. You can stay along here so I can see you.
Hi, Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Boy, I hope nothing dropping my food from off this tree. You guys, we're out and about today. We're in town at a water park. And your girl, of course, packed her food to carry with her because I know I'm a breastfeeding mama and I'll be hungry. So this is my lunch. Curry goat and salad. Tyler, what you having? Rice and peas and chicken. Right? It's yummy. And baby girl is here right in front of me. They're chilling. And my cousins, the little ones, are in the water section. But Tyler is not a fan of this water park, so he says he's not going in the water. So we're here, letting the kids have a good day out while we watch. And I'm eating. And I also went birthday gift shopping for babe. By the time you guys see this, maybe his birthday will already gone. No, the birthday won't come as yet. I went gift shopping for babe since I'm in town, because I don't know when again I'm gonna come in town for the rest of the week. Babe's birthday is next week, so that's already out of my way. So yeah, we're here. It's okay, don't stop that. Eat and we'll stop that. So we hope you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. If this is the first time to our channel, be sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll be showing you what we'll be doing for the rest of the day. Catch up and keep up. The kids taking a break to have lunch. Marian went to McDonald's and get them lunch. So of course I had to get one for Tyler too, so he don't feel left out. So everybody is grubbing, they're having so much fun, but Tyler still insists and he have nothing to do with that water park at all. And my baby is here sleeping, just enjoying the cool breeze under the shed. Of course I had to take Ty to the park. Ooh, book, 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 book. This is what Tyler wanna do. He wanna challenge himself and climb. Tyler he ain't want to go in that water. I think it's the spray of the water, the sudden push of the water in that part that he hates. But he's climbing. Go, baby, go! Look at these two. Give me this pillow.
You hit the car.
I hit her?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're gonna have a snack? You're gonna have a snack?
Yeah, so with my sister.
You're gonna share it with her? She can't eat that. She can only have milk. Take time with your fingers. You guys, we are back from the water park with the kids, and look at these two over here. The love that they have for each other. Alright, leave her hand. Leave her hand. Bless you. Oh, bless you. No, you can't hug her face,
So
baby.
I need to sanitize my hands. I I need to touch her.
You guys are back from the park and I'm about to go get some rest right now.
Like a baby, but a girl. And she have finally she have answered to blue, and that means he's a blue.
No, because she's wearing your clothes, that's why it's blue.
And remember Geisha? I know that when I was Geisha.
Take time, take time, take time.
Sweetie, sweetie.
You call her sweetie?
She can't talk.
So she's a baby, she can't
I
talk.
want her to talk.
You have to wait until after 1 year.
1 year. So today's which year?
She have an entire year to go. Next year this time. And she's gonna start the tie-tie. There's the tie-tie.
Yeah.
She's gonna say brother. Brother. You hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Chicken and rice without peas.
Chicken and rice without peas. Alright, Mama gonna find chicken and rice without peas for you, okay?
And put no peas.
And put no peas.
Yes.
He's not a fan of peas.
Okay, and when you put peas inside there, I look in my plate and see if there is peas, and if there is peas, I want to say, Mama, I don't want no peas.
Okay, I won't put any peas in it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, tell Faves thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
What else did to do?
Oh, look, a little screen.
What else did to do? So give this video a thumbs up.
Give this a video a thumbs up.
Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and be up.
And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.